Hello, my name is Dapinder Singh from Prilo Solutions Private Limited, and I made this new system named three-phase motor controlling system or three-phase pump controlling system by using SMS call and the manual switch, right? And this system is able to control a three-phase motor by receiving SMS call or by pressing this button, right? And it has a feature to send back the acknowledgement back to the user by making use of SMS. About the quick overview of the hardware system that I made use of is the GSM module, and the name of this GSM module is SIM800C, and I'm using 12 volt 2 amperes power supply. I'm using Airtel SIM. One can also use the BSNL or Vodafone, but this GSM module does not support any kind of 4G SIM. I mean to say that the Geo SIM is not supported by this GSM module, right? And this is the buck converter, so we are converting 12 volt to 7 volt so that we can power this Arduino Nano, okay? And this is the ULN 2003 relay driver, and these are the three relays, and the rating of these three relays is 12 volt and 30 amperes, right? It has a button, so by pressing this button we can turn on or off our pump, right? And here's a power LED, and there's a network LED, there is a motor LED, SMS LED, and the blue is a call LED, right? So when we will be connected to the Airtel's network, or whenever our SIM card will be registered to the Airtel's network, then this green LED will glow. When the motor will be turned on or off, then this yellow LED will be functioning. When the SMS will be sent, then this red LED will be functioning. And when the system will receive the call, then this blue LED will glow. So this is the Arduino Nano microcontroller that we made use of over here. So I have also made an Android application in order to control our motor by making use of call as well as SMS. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show this Android application. So over here we can see the status of our motor, that whether or not our motor is on or off. And these are the two buttons, and by pressing one of these two buttons it will send the SMS from this application to our system, and by making use of this button we can make a call to our system in order to turn on or off the pump. And there is a timer button, so we can schedule on or off.
Schedule start timer, stop timer, or both for automatic operation.
So we can schedule start timer, stop timer, or both in order to do an automatic on-off operation of our three-phase motor, right? So over here we can select the start timer, right? And from here we can schedule the stop timer, and our timer is scheduled, right? So by the time I'm turning off this timer, right? And over here we can add our number. I mean to say that over here we have to add the number of the motor. I mean to say that the number of this SIM card, so that we can send SMS as well as we can send the call, right? And by pressing this button we can add a number at which we want our system to send the replies, right? Okay, so I'm just going to turn on the system, right? So here, okay, so let us wait for this green LED to turn on. Okay, so we are connected to the Airtel's network, right? Our SIM card is now registered. Okay, so the network is good. The signal strength of our network is very nice. Okay, and I'm just going to turn on this application, right? So first of all, I'll show you that how can we turn on or off our pump by making use of this button, right? Okay, I'm pressing this button. Okay, so now yellow LED is glowing and all three relays are energized. So
Your motor is on.
our pump is on, right? Or our motor is on, and the system has also sent an acknowledgement SMS to our number, and application has read this SMS and shown us the status of the motor, right? So I'm just going to press this button. Okay, the motor is off. It has sent the SMS to
Your motor is off.
our number, right? So the motor is off, right? Okay, so I'm going to turn on or off the motor by making use of call. Okay, so when we will make the call to our system, then this blue LED will glow, right? The system is equipped with the auto answer feature, so the system has attended the call over here, right? So in order to turn on motor, we have to press 1, and in order to turn off the motor, we have to press 0. Okay, the motor is on. We will receive an SMS over here.
Your motor is on.
Okay, done. So I'm going to press 0. Motor is off. We will receive an SMS over here.
Your motor is off.
Okay. The blue LED is off, right? So I'm going to press this button in order to turn on or off the motor by making use of SMS.
Sending the SMS.
Okay, it has received the SMS and turned on the motor, and the system is making the reply.
Your motor is off.
Okay, I am turning off. Okay, so this is the previous message. This is not a new message, right? So it will now receive the SMS and then it will show the SMS over here, right? Due to the network latency or due to the network delay, sometimes our system receives or sometimes the mobile phone receives the message very late. So this is why. So I'm just going to turn off this motor.
Sending the SMS.
Motor turned off.
Your motor is on.
This is the previous SMS. So now it will receive the off SMS and it will show the SMS over here.
Your motor is off.
Okay, the motor is off, right? The buck converter is actually converting 12 volt to 7 volt, right? So this is the overview of the hardware as well as the software of our system. I hope you will like the system. Please like, share and subscribe to my videos. Thank you so much.